Hi Rahul, how are you? Hey Jay, fine. And what about you? I am also fine. What's going on? Nothing more, just study. Nice. Jay, have you got a message that our school is starting remote classes through Google Meet? Yes, I got. Can you tell me how should I use it? Of course. Firstly, you have to download Google Meet app in your email. Okay, I have installed. Nice. Now go to Google Classroom. Okay, yes, I did. Your class will reflect there. Yes, I am seeing my online class. It's there. Now, what's the next? Click on this. I did. Good. You are seeing a green color video camera following Google Meet. Yes, I am seeing. Click on it. I did. This link will open directly to Google Meet app. Yes, it is working. I am seeing my face in the camera. Click on Ask to join. Keep in mind one more thing that at the time of class, switch off your mic and video for good connectivity. Okay, thank you, Jay, for this help. Thank you so much. Welcome, Rahul.